Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Gita from Local A1 and today I made this video as a final test. First, the research. Name of journal. Journal of Teaching and Learning in Elementary Education. Institution, Department of Education and Human Potential Development, National Dong Huan University, Taiwan. And you can see that link. Next, title and others. Title: The comparison of elementary curriculum education between Indonesia and Singapore, and also author Muhammad Yusuf Effendi and his Nancy Lin. Next, introduction. Indonesia and Singapore, while having very different approaches to basic education, but perform highly in standard, standardized testing and are internationally respected for their education system. However, there are many obstacles that must be resolved and evaluated so that it can provide a solid foundation for students to continue their education to a higher level. Based on this fact, it is necessary to compare the curriculum with countries that already have the best quality education system. In this case, Singapore. The purpose of this paper is to obtain a summary of the comparative curriculum development between Indonesia and Singapore. Indonesia has made several changes in its education curriculum. Literature viewer. Literature can be obtained from various libraries, universities, websites, or other search that support the idea. Then literature is classified and analysis to in each variable. This research helps you to choose which literature is the most good to use for literature comparison. This is according from Sudardi uh, 2003. Method or design. The method used is to use a comparative method with a literature review. The research design method used in this study is a case study to compare basic curriculum education between Indonesia and Singapore. Instruments. The method of data collection related to this topic is that the literature review in question is a comparison of the basic education curriculum between Indonesia and Singapore, such from universities' website or other such that support the idea. Data analysis. The data is taken from several universities, websites, or other curriculum search that discuss the objective content or material, media strategies, and teaching, also the learning process. Method of collecting data classification in an attempt to classify the information obtained from relevant literature and websites. In this, reduce the investing data by means of compiling and classifying the data acquired into a certain pattern or problem certain analysis in the process of simplifying words into the form which is easier to read and also easy interpreted, making conclusion as the final step of data processing, namely conclusion from the data obtained after analyzing for get answer to readers about what is present in the background problem. Finding and discussion. ISA, ISA 2030 result position Indonesian student in the lowest order. On the contrary, many countries in Southeast Asia are in the top position, such as Singapore, which has the best position in Southeast Asia and even on the world level. Singapore is in the top position compared to Indonesia, lower the PISA 20 2050 research shows that the dominance of country in East Asia. From this study, there are several findings can be adapted in the curriculum of primary school in Indonesia, such as the first, the application of a uniform curriculum in each school. The second, the function of teacher in preparing their student graduation, and the last, the use of instructional media and emphasis on mastery of learning materials. The advantages of this study are: first, the school can apply the curriculum from the government without ignoring local wisdom. The second, the teachers are able to prepare the students' preparation earlier. And the last, the teacher can prepare themselves to be skillful in operating information, communication, and technology devices. Conclusion: such as country's education has been developed, Indonesian is due to make a change for 8 times from independent day until now. Since Indonesia is very spacious and consists of several islands and ever-changing education leader following the change of government. Educational reform in Singapore has grown as a model to support the the advancement of education in Singapore to prioritize the result and process, but ignore the aspect of the character and a lack of attention for that. The public hedonism and capitalism curriculum can be classified into some category as follows: curriculum aspect that consists of competence, learner, implementers, and evaluation, curriculum purpose, and curriculum compilers, and the last curriculum in elementary school has some local content and applies in each region. Point of view. Witness from this research, elementary school curriculum will provide benefits for basic education. Moreover, as a learning material for elementary school, students in Indonesia require a curriculum that is considered not contradictory and uncomplicated teacher and student in implementing the curriculum, but will provide good quality for student success in education for higher level. And the strands from the research, Singapore curriculum as following. The first, the curriculum in elementary school has content some local and applied in every area. And the second, the teacher must follow the curriculum has been set more on subject mastery and practice and also focus in prepare students for exam higher education graduation. And the last, use of textbooks, worksheet, media, student teaching, and practice should be used as much as possible. I think that's all for me. Thank you.